Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of math teacher from Modern English of School Kurti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 17A, chapter volume and surface area of solids of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start students. Our first question is question number 17. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl surmounted by a hollow cylinder. Surmounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 21 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 14.5 centimeter. Find its capacity. Capacity, it means volume. Okay. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl surmounted by a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Clear? The diameter of the hemisphere is 21 centimeter. So diameter of the hemisphere equal to 21 centimeter. Then radius equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So here this is the radius of the hemisphere, that is 21 by 2 centimeter. Clear? And the total height of the vessel is 14.5 centimeter. Total height of the vessel is 14.5 centimeter. Okay. And the height of the bowl is equal to the radius of the bowl. Height of the hemisphere bowl is the radius of the bowl, that is 21 by 2, that is 10.5 centimeter. So height of the cylinder, okay, height of the cylinder is 14.5 minus 10.5, okay, that is 4 centimeter. So height of the cylindrical portion, okay, that is 4 centimeter, because the height of the hemispherical part is 10.5 centimeter, that is equal to the radius, and the rest is total height of the 14.5, total height minus height of the hemispherical part, okay, that is 14.5 minus 10.5 equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So students, find its capacity. So first of all, find the volume of the hemispherical part. Find the volume of the hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 multiplied. Put the value of the pi, that is 22 by 7, and value of r equal to 21 by 2. 21 by 2 multiplied 21 by 2 multiplied 21 by 2. That is the r cube. Okay. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So 7 3 is 21. 3 3 is cancelled. 2 2 is cancelled. 2 11 is 22. Okay, that is 21 multiply 21, that is 441 multiply 11 by 2. Okay, that is 441 4851 by 2, that is 2 या 4, 2 4 या 8, 2 या 4, 2 5 या 10.5 centimeter cube. For student 2425.5 cubic centimeter is the volume of the hemisphere and the rest volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. For volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h, that is 22 by 7, and r square r equal to 21 by 2 multiply 21 by 2, and height is equal to the 4 centimeter, that is 4, 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 3 ja 21. Okay, so 22 3 ja 66 multiply 21, that is 1386 cubic centimeter. For students, 1386 cubic centimeter is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, for total volume total volume it means capacity, total capacity of the vessel equal to 1386 plus 2425.5 cubic centimeter. Okay, for students 0.5 3811.5 cubic centimeter. Volume of the vessel is equal to 3811.5 cubic centimeters. Our next question is question number 18. 18 number question की a toy is in the form of a cylinder. A toy is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. जिसका end क्या है? Hemispherical है, इधर से भी और both side hemispherical ends. If the whole length of the toy का whole length is 90 centimeter. Total toy का पूरा length जो है whole length वो कितना है? 90 centimeter. And its diameter is 42 centimeter. And diameter of the toy is 42 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the toy. Find the cost of painting the toy at the rate of 70 paise per square centimeter. Okay, cost निकालना. Find the cost of painting the toy at the rate of 70 paise per square centimeter. For students, paint करना है तो कर्व सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टॉय. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टॉय. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. Height of the toy is 90 centimeter. Total height of the toy. Total height of the toy is 90 centimeter, and radius of the toy equal to 42 centimeter is the diameter of. Okay, student, that is 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter is the radius of this toy. Okay, so height of the cylinder तो हाइट ऑफ द, जब सिलेंडर को आप हाइट निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा, इधर से 21 सेंटीमीटर इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट एंड 21 सेंटीमीटर इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट। तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा। दिस इज द height of the hemispherical part is equal to the radius of the hemispherical part. So that is 21 centimeter and that is 21 centimeter. So height of the cylinder equal to 90 minus 2 multiply 21. Okay, so 90 minus 42, 48 सेंटीमीटर। तो हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर इक्वल टू 48 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, अब टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टॉय, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टॉय इज इक्वल टू कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर प्लस कर्व टू मल्टीप्लाई curved surface area of the hemispherical part, to multiply curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, क्योंकि 2 हेमिस्फीयर है तो 2 multiply curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, for student curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi, curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus 2 multiply curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. Okay, that is 2 pi rh plus 2 to the 4 pi r square. Clear? For students, 2 pi r is common, that is h plus 2r, h plus 2r, that is 2 multiply, put the value of pi equal to 22 by 7, multiply value of r equal to 21. Okay, value of r equal to radius is 21 into height of the cylinder is 48 plus 2 multiply 21. Okay, for students, this imply 7 3 is 21, 3 2 is 6, 22 multiply 6 multiply 48 plus 42, 21 2 ja 42, that is 22 multiply 6 multiply 90, so that is 132 multiply 90 equal to 11,880 centimeter square. 11,880 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. Okay, for student, find the cost of painting the toy. So total cost of painting the toy, total cost of painting the toy is equal to 11,880 multiply 70 पैसे, और 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, रुपया में चेंज हो जाएगा, रुपीज 4201010. ओके, 1188 multiply 7 rupees. For students, that is 8,316 rupees. Okay, and our next question is question number 21. 21 number question की, a solid is in the form of a right circular cone. A solid is in the form of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. Look at this diagram. Okay, so a solid is in the form of a right circular cone. Right circular cone. Okay, right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. एक hemisphere पर क्या है, mounted है. Clear? the radius of the hemisphere is 2.1 centimeter. Radius of the hemisphere is 2.1 centimeter and the height of the cone is 4 centimeter. Height of the cone is 4 centimeter. So the solid is placed in a cylindrical tub. इस सॉलिड को, इस पूरे सॉलिड को उठाकर एक सिलेंड्रिकल टब में प्लेस करते हैं, रखते हैं, ठीक है ना, सिलेंड्रिकल टब जो कि फुल ऑफ वाटर, जो कि पूरी तरह से पानी से क्या है, भरा हुआ है टब। इन सच अ वे दैट, इस प्रकार कि द होल सॉलिड इज सबमर्ज्ड इन वाटर, मतलब पूरा सॉलिड जो है पानी में पूरी तरह से क्या होता है, सबमर्ज होता है, डूब जाता है। इफ द रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, और उस सिलेंडर जिसमें इस सॉलिड को रखा जाता है, उस सिलेंडर का जो रेडियस है वो 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर इज 9.8 सेंटीमीटर। सो स्टूडेंट फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर लेफ्ट इन द टब। जब हम इस सॉलिड को उस टब में डालेंगे तो इस सॉलिड को डालने के बाद फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर, वाटर का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा जो टब में बचेगा, क्योंकि पूरी तरफ से फुल है पानी से। जब हम इस सॉलिड को डालेंगे तो जितना वॉल्यूम इस सॉलिड का होगा उतना वॉल्यूम को, उतना वाटर को, उतना वॉल्यूम वाटर क्या होगा, डिस्प्लेस्ड हो जाएगा। क्लियर? तो स्टूडेंट्स, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर, ओके, सिलेंड्रिकल टब, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल टब माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस सॉलिड, ओके। For students, first of all, radius of the hemisphere is 2.1 centimeter. For volume of the hemisphere, let us start solution. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3, 22 by 7, and put the value of r equal to 12.1. That is 21 by 2. 21 by 10 multiply 21 by 10 multiply 21 by 10, 7 3 are 21, 3 3 cancel, okay. 44 multiply 441 by 1000, clear? 44 multiply 441 by 1000, that is 19404 by 1000, okay, that is 19.404 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the hemisphere, clear? And students, volume of the cone, okay, volume of the right circular cone. For volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. For 1 by 3, that is pi equal to 22 by 7, and r is the 2.1. For 21 by 10 multiply 21 by 10, and the height of the right circular cone is 4 centimeter. For students, 7 3 are 21, 3 3 is cancel, okay. So 22 multiply 84 by 100. So students, 22 multiply 84 by 100, that is 1848 by 100, okay, 1448 by 100 equal to 18.48 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the right circular cone. So students, total volume of this solid, total volume of this solid, total volume of this solid is equal to volume of the hemisphere, that is 19.404 plus volume of the right circular cone 18.48 cubic centimeter, okay. So students, (37.884 cubic centimeter). Okay, 37.884 cubic centimeter. The cylindrical tub. Volume of the cylindrical tub is cylindrical tub pi r square h. Okay, that is 22/7. R equal to 5 multiply 5, because if the radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and height is 9.8 centimeter, so 9.8. Okay, 22/7 multiply 25 multiply 98/10. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. Okay, that is 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, and 2 11 ja 22. 55 multiply 14. 770 cubic centimeter, the volume of the cylindrical tub, okay, which is full of water. Okay students, अब जब इस सॉलिड को हम इस सिलेंड्रिकल टब में प्लेस करेंगे, रखेंगे, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इज इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम द टब. Volume of water is equal to the volume of the solid. Volume of the solid is displaced from the tub. Okay, so students, volume of water left in the tub equal to 770 volume of the cylindrical tub minus total volume of the solid, that is 37.884 cubic centimeter, and 770 minus 37.884, that is 732.116 cubic centimeter. 732.116 cubic centimeter water is left in the tub. Okay, the next question is question number 24. From a solid cylinder of height 14 centimeter and base diameter is 7 centimeter. From a solid cylinder of height, एक solid cylinder है जिसकी height जो है 14 centimeter and the base diameter is 7 centimeter. Okay, two equal conical holes, दो equal conical holes, कोन की तरह होल, जिस ढंग का कोन होता है उस ढंग का होल उसमें जो है किया जा रहा है 2.1 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस उस कोनिकल होल का क्या है 2.1 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट ऑफ द कोनिकल होल इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. आज कट ऑफ दो कोनिकल होल जो है उसमें कर उसे काट कर निकाल दिया जाता है. तो फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द रिमेनिंग सॉलिड. ओके, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिमेनिंग सॉलिड, वॉल्यूम ऑफ remaining solid is equal to volume of the solid cylinder, volume of cylinder minus volume of two conical holes, volume of two conical holes, two conical holes. Okay, so volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, minus h is the height of the cylinder and capital R is the radius of the cylinder, and volume of two conical holes is 2 multiply 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 pi r square h. here a small r is the radius of the conical hole and a small h is the height of the conical hole. Okay, for students, pi r square h. So here r radius of the cylinder is, तो diameter क्या है सिलेंडर का 7 सेंटीमीटर, तो रेडियस क्या होगा 7/2, दैट इज पाई का वैल्यू 22/7, r इज 7/2 बिकॉज की डायमीटर इज 7 सेंटीमीटर, तो रेडियस क्या होगा 7/2 का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 7/2 मल्टीप्लाई 7/2 एंड हाइट ऑफ द सॉलिड सिलेंडर इज 14 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 14. ओके, एंड माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 एंड r is the conical hole is 2.1 centimeter given in this question, 21 centimeter, so 21/10 and multiply 21/10 and multiply height of the conical hole is 4 centimeter. Okay, for students 7 each cancel, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 11 ja 22, so 77 multiply 7. Okay, and minus here 7 3 ja 21, 3 is cancel. Okay, and that is 2 multiply 22 multiply 21 multiply 4/100. Okay, for students just 539 cubic centimeter minus 3696 by 100 cubic centimeter, that is 539 minus 36.96 cubic centimeter is equal to 502.04 cubic centimeter is the volume of the remaining solid. Okay.